Hey everyone, Couch Investor here, back with another FASTLY video for you today. In today's video, we're going to go over the graphs, the news coming out saying that Oracle might be buying TikTok's US operations and what it means to FASTLY and what it means to my position in FASTLY. Because if you have watched my last video on FASTLY, which will pop up in the top right corner, you know that I bought FASTLY after the stock went down because of this TikTok situation. What has happened to my position since then? Well, actually it has grown a little bit more. I actually bought some more shares last week, and what I will be doing with FASTLY moving forward, I'm going to discuss that in this video. But before I get into this video, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, we're on our way to 4,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it if you did. And if you like these videos, leave it an early thumbs up, as it really helps me outgrow the channel and get my videos out there. So without further ado, let's look at the graphs. Right, so as we can see, the stock has actually recovered from its lowest point at $75. Now this was for last time, so actually if you picked it up right at the bottom, right here actually, 71 was its lowest point actually, I didn't notice that. You could, if the stock goes back to its all-time highs, have a 64% return on investment. Now let's do that for if you're buying it today. So today that would be at $84. Which would mean almost 40% return on investment. Now I added right around here at $75, I added another 25% to my position. I'm pretty happy with that at the moment, but like I said, I think this stock will probably make its way up to its all-time highs. It might take a bit longer, even though now with the whole TikTok deal situation, that will probably get solved quicker rather than getting pushed around for another couple of months. I think the stock could go up. We should test maybe the $90 again in the next coming weeks. But yes, I've heard some people say, look, this is a head and shoulder pattern. So that means that the stock will probably break down. But some head and shoulder patterns are not going down because the breakdown failed. This might be it. You never know, but keep an eye on that. Overall, if we can see us go back to $90, that reassures us that the head and shoulder patterns failed to break down. Alright, so yesterday we had huge news coming out saying that Oracle has won the bid to buy the US operations for TikTok. Basically, they're buying the rights to TikTok USA. Now, we don't know if they get a stake in the actual company, in ByteDance, but we're going to look at a couple of articles right now. It also says that Microsoft has its bid rejected by TikTok. Microsoft itself released a statement. We're going to look at that. But we're also going to look at the other side, the Chinese side, saying that no deal has been reached. So we're going to look into that right now. All right, so first up, we have here Oracle wins bid for TikTok USA, beating Microsoft, deal which is likely not to be structured as an outright sale. What does that mean? In my opinion, that means that Oracle will just host those TikTok USA servers. If those of you that don't know what Oracle is, it's basically, I will read it from here. It's a company that sells database software and technology, cloud engineered systems and enterprise software, particularly its own brands of database management system. So basically, the big security concerns for TikTok will probably get or will be reduced by working with Oracle. Now that means that yes, Microsoft did not get the TikTok deal. So basically Microsoft's bid was rejected. We can see here actually a statement. ByteDance let us know today they would not be selling TikTok's US operations to Microsoft. They said that in a statement. We are confident our proposal would have been good for TikTok's users while protecting national security interests. Now, if you ask me, obviously Microsoft would have been a way better partner in this story, but hey, you don't always get what you want. But in my opinion, Oracle will take care of the security issues, I think so. But overall, it would have been much better if Microsoft got it, because Microsoft gets those types of things. TikTok is really a thing for youth. Oracle is basically a business to business model. They don't really know what TikTok probably is appealing to and etc. But we have another piece of news here saying neither Microsoft nor Oracle gets to buy TikTok US. So a source told the South China Morning Post earlier that the tech upstart has decided not to sell or transfer the source code behind its popular video app. ByteDance said it won't comment on market rumors. Now this is very interesting, but in my opinion, again, I don't think this is completely true. I just think they want to keep it behind the scenes for now until the deal is completely closed. It won't really surprise me if suddenly they switch back to maybe going to Microsoft because they see that there is way more potential partnering with a company like Microsoft than with a company like Oracle. Alright, so after we've seen all of this, what does that actually mean for us FASTLY holders? Or if you're not a FASTLY holder but you would like to buy it right now, maybe the situation is clearer. Well, for me it's pretty clear. Still the same game plan. I tend to sell some of my position at that $110, $115 mark. That's when it was at its highest point before the earnings call. And like I said in my last video, I'm going to keep a small portion for FASTLY because I still believe that they are going to grow and still growing in the years to come. So I will keep that portion. At first, I wanted to sell my whole position in FASTLY at that $115 mark to invest it in Tesla or Square or another good stock that is coming out. But I've changed my mind because I am more convinced in FASTLY right now than I was a couple of weeks ago. So I will keep a small position in FASTLY, take my profits and invest it more in Tesla. Now, whether or not this news is really going to happen, maybe China is just playing some games, they don't want to release an early statement, etc. I don't think it really matters. I think in the long run, FASTLY will go over that $100 mark. That's not the problem. Right now, the market is just speculating and trading actually around that FASTLY TikTok news. It's good for traders. For us long-term investors, it doesn't really matter because for the long run, FASTLY is going to go up. And that will be it for this video. I know some of you asked for an update on my FASTLY position, so here it is. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And for those of you who are new here, we're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. If you've made it to the end of this video, you can click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up as it really helps me out grow the channel. And like always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.